The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Our planet is slowly coming to an end. NASA has detected that the planet Uranus is on a collision course with the Earth. Planet Uranus is expected to collide with the Earth within the next 4 hours. There is nothing we can do to stop this. Once Uranus hits the Earth, the planet will shatter by the force of the impact, and will kill all life on Earth. There is no way to deflect Uranus away, and it's too large, and it's too close to the Earth. There is no way to escape from this cataclysm and astronomical event. There is no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode. All residents of the United States and the rest of the world, gather your friends, family, pets, kids, and children, and prepare for the end of the world. The national anthem will play for the final time. God bless America.